Good morning students, welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to complete the third unit of our English reader book for class 6. The last section, that is section 4, is a poem. The name of the poem is Courage. Okay, in this poem we will get to know that courage is a resistance of fear, mastery of fear, not the absence of fear. Everybody is afraid of something. Okay, courage, you can't say that it is the absence of fear, because everybody is afraid of something, but it is resistance to fear, that is the opposite. Okay, you resist yourself from the upcoming problems or fears whatever you face. Mastery of fear, you get control of the fear. Okay, you know that you will take care of whatever problem you are going to face, whatever fear you are going to face, you will get control of that. Now I'm starting the stanza 1, and we will go through all the stanzas, get the summary of the poem, that is get the meaning of the lines, and after that we will go for the question answers and complete the chapter. Now starting from stanza number 1. Courage is the strength to stand up when it's easier to fall down and lose hold. Means courage is the strength to stand up. Stand up here means courage is when you show faith in yourself that yes, you can do. When you fall down, when you are struck with the problems and lose hold, and you lose control on whatever problems you are facing, and still you think that no, I won't stop, I will do, I can do, and I will certainly do. That is the courage from your deep inside. It is the conviction to explore new horizons. Conviction means the strong opinion. Okay, conviction means strong opinion. To explore new horizons. Horizon is where the end meet, where the sun meets the seashore. Okay, this is you need to explore the infinity. You can say infinity. Where it's easier to believe what we have been told. Okay, what we have been told, if we can easily trust that, we won't be able to find out anything else. Okay, it is up to us whether we will believe what we have been taught, or we will find out if it is true or not. Courage is the will to shape our world when it's easier to let someone else do it for us. Courage is the will to shape our world means giving the new guidelines to the world, telling them something new that they don't know. We can't wait for we can't wait for anybody else to do this. Okay, we can't wait for somebody else to do it for us. We should be the leader. We should lead the path for everybody else in the world. It is the recognition that none of us are perfect when it's easier to criticize others and fuss. Basically, it is the recognition that none of us are perfect. Nobody in this world is perfect. Everybody has some imperfections. Okay, it is easier to criticize others, but it takes a lot of courage to do that same thing. Okay, and first here means unnecessary. We can criticize anybody unnecessarily, but when we are going to face the problem, it will show us how difficult it was, how much courage it needs to do the work. Okay, courage is the power to step forward and lead. When it's easier to follow the crowd, their pleas resound. Courage is the power to step forward and lead. You need to lead. Courage, it takes a lot of courage to lead someone when it's easier to follow the path made by others. Okay, when it's easier to follow the path, their pleas resound. That means whatever others show, it is easier to follow that path, but it takes a lot of courage to lead the path. It is the spirit that places you on top of mountain when it's easier to now leave the ground. If you have courage, you are determined, you can easily reach the mountain, but as you know, climbing a mountain is much difficult as compared to remain on the ground. So if you got courage, you got the spirit. Spirit here is used for courage only, for your determination only. If you are determined, if you got a lot of courage, you could easily reach the mountain top. But if you don't have courage, you are afraid of the things, you will remain on the ground. Foundation of courage is solid, the rock that doesn't roll. Courage is the freedom of our mind, body and soul. The last paragraph itself says, that courage is our mindset. It is within our body itself. It is in our soul. Courage is our soul. Courage is in our soul only, and it depends on our mind, our body, and soul. If we can work together, we can think about. We can think how to solve the problems. We can think how to overcome the problems. We could easily succeed. It is the foundation of courage is always solid. It is the rock that doesn't roll. Courage doesn't roll. That is, courage remains in the same position. We all got courage. It just needs to be seen within our body. So that's the reading part, students. Let's move on to the question answers now. A little more of the poem. What do these lines mean? It is the conviction to explore new horizons when it's easier to believe what we have been told. Courage is the strong belief or urge to find out things yourself, even though there is much easier way of finding out, that is believing what others tell you. Now the second question is match the following. Courage is the strength to stand up when it is easier to fall down and lose hold. Courage is the will to shape our world when it is easier to let someone else do it. Courage is the power to step forward and lead when it's easier to follow the crowd. Courage is the spirit that places you on top when it's easier to never leave the ground. What does the poet mean by saying courage is the freedom of mind, body and soul? The poet wants to say that courage is the only state of mind of a person. This state of mind defines if the person can achieve greater heights in life or he or she will stop trying due to the fear of failure. That's where the state of mind, body and soul comes in. Okay, to determine the final destination, to determine the future of the person. What according to you is the most courageous thing to do? Discuss in the class. The most courageous thing is to keep trying even though you fail. If you are not afraid of difficulties in your life and you keep trying, it will ensure your success. Also, to commit the mistakes you did is also the most courageous thing, as it's very hard to accept the mistakes you did. Okay students, so that's it from the chapter. We have read the poem, we have understood it, and we have also completed the question answers. And before leaving, please like the video, subscribe the channel for our upcoming videos. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.